Did you know that you can create this twisted text effect using only Canva? Let's see how to get this. For this design, add the text. Change the text color and go to Effects. Choose Neon. Download this as PNG. Upload the image on next page. Now go to Apps and search for Twist Filter. Here, adjust the twist effect as desired. When done, select Add to Design. Remove background, and then add a rectangle behind the text. Now add an image, and remove its background as well. Duplicate this image and go to Blur. Arrange it over the main image like this, and reduce its transparency. Duplicate the blur image again, and put it behind the main image this time. Like this, we have a twisted text effect with a distorted image. Subscribe to the channel for more such Canva design ideas.